Hello. My name is Andrea. I know the issue may be learning English, but with practice and fun stories, everything becomes easier. A young man walks into a cozy cafe and places his order at the counter. The barista is ready to help you, and a relaxed conversation begins. The perfect coffee.
Hello. What can I bring you today?
I'm not sure. Do you have any recommendations?
Sophie smiles and starts suggesting options.
Is really popular. Or, if you like something strong, the espresso is great.
I like sweet drinks. Does the caramel latte have a lot of sugar?
Not too much. But if you want, I can make it less sweet.
Okay, let's go with the caramel latte. Less sweet, please.
Got it. Do you want it hot or iced?
Hot, please. It's freezing outside.
Good choice. It'll warm you up.
Sophie prepares the coffee and hands it to Lucas at the counter.
1 caramel latte, less sweet.
Thanks. Smells amazing. You're really good at this.
Well, I've had a lot of practice. Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks. I'll definitely come back.
Words related to the coffee shop scene.
Coffee. Coffee.
Latte. Latte. Espresso. Espresso.
Hot, iced. Hot, iced.
Aroma. Aroma.
Flavor. Flavor.
Barista. Barista.
Coupe. Coupe.
Warm. Warm. If you liked it, subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, and watch the next video.